In this video, you'll learn how to track goals and progress using Notion AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a structured system to monitor your goals effectively and utilize AI insights for better decision making. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and signing into your account. Once logged in, create a new page specifically for tracking your goals. You can do this by selecting the new page option located in the left sidebar. This dedicated page will serve as your workspace for goal management. After creating the new page, insert a database by selecting the database option from the menu. You can choose either a table or another format that suits your needs. Within this database, add essential properties such as deadline and status to help categorize your goals. Including measurable progress fields like percentages or completion checkboxes can provide clarity on how far along you are with each goal. When defining your goals, ensure that the descriptions are specific and realistic. This clarity will help you understand what needs to be accomplished and by when. Establishing a solid foundation for your tracking system is crucial for effective goal management. Next, highlight the goal entries within your database that you wish to analyze. UI to summarize your weekly progress by selecting the relevant entries and accessing the AI features. Ask the AI to identify any incomplete or delayed goals. It will provide insights that can help you understand where adjustments may be necessary. Take time to review the suggestions provided by Notion AI carefully. These insights can guide you in refining your goals based on the analysis. Making informed adjustments will enhance your productivity and keep you aligned with your objectives. Regularly review your goals, ideally on a weekly basis, to ensure they remain relevant. Mark any completed milestones clearly to visualize your progress. If you notice any unrealistic objectives, do not hesitate to adjust timelines or remove them altogether. Maintaining consistent tracking habits will support continuous improvement in your goal achievement process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.